In the previous lecture, we have seen some examples on the square and square roots. And in this lecture, we are going to see your new question is the following. Your question number 2. The following numbers are obviously not perfect square. Why they are not perfect square? Give reason. We know that your ending point is 2, 3, 7 and 8. Your ending point is 2, 3, 7 and 8. Then they are called they are not a perfect square. Your ending point is 2, 3, 7, 8. Then see here, your ending point is 7. Then they are not a means this number is not a perfect square. Here 3, it is also not a perfect square. Here 8, then it is not a perfect square. Here 2, then it is also not a perfect square. Here 3 zeros are present. We know that odd number of zeros are present, and this is not a perfect square. Here also you will see your 2 digit is not a perfect square. Your last digit is 2. Then this is not a perfect square. Here also 3 zeros are present, and this is also not a perfect square. Here 0 is present, and this is not a perfect square because your last digit is 2, 3, 7, 8 and odd number of zeros. Then they are not a perfect square. Then see the next example. Using the given pattern, find the missing numbers. Your first example is 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square, that is 3 square. Then 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square, that is 7 square. Then 3 square plus 4 square plus 12 square, that is 13 square. Then here 4 square plus 5 square plus dash equal to 21 square. Then 5 square plus dash square plus 13 square equal to 31 square. Then here 6 square plus 7 square plus dash equal to 43 square. Here also square. Then your question is what? Using the pattern, find the missing number. Then first we will observe this example. Here 1 square plus 2 square, then plus 2 square equal to 3 square. 2, then 3, 6, 2, then 3, 6, then 7, 12, then 13. Here 21 is present, and here 20 square. Here 30, 31. Then this is a missing number. Then again you will observe that 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 3 is 6, 3 into 4 is 12, 4 into 5 is 20. Then here 5, how many means which number is multiplied, then you will get 30. Then 5 6 are 30, then you will write here 6. Again you will see here 6, 7 and here 43. Then its answer is 42 whole bracket square. Means first we will observe this example and then fill up the blanks. Let's see the next example. Without adding, find the sum. 7. Without adding, find the sum. That is your first example is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. Then next example, all examples are same. You can do 2 example and 3rd example. You will do your notebook. 1 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19. Then here, how many numbers are present here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you will write sum of first 5 odd numbers. That is 5 square equal to what? 25. Its answer is 25. You will count here. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 7 is 16, 16 plus 9 is 25. Here also you will write sum of first. How many numbers are present here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here first 10 odd numbers are present. Then 10 odd numbers, that is 10 square equal to 100. Means here how many numbers are present? Means without adding your find the sum, its sum is what? 100. Then your answer is this. See the next example. Next example is question number 8. That is first. Express 49 has the sum of seven odd numbers. 7 odd numbers. And your second question is what? Express 121. Express 121 has the sum of 11 odd numbers. 11 odd numbers. Then which type you can write? Express 49 has the sum of 7 odd numbers. Which are they? 1 plus 3, 1 minute. One plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then these 7 odd numbers you will add it, then you will get the 49. Then again, express 121 has the sum of 11 odd numbers. Sum of 11 odd numbers. Then first you will write first 11 odd numbers. That is 1, 3, 5, 7 plus 9 plus 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 7. Then 8. Then 15, then 9, then 19 plus 21, then how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. These 11 odd numbers you will add it, then you will get the 121. Let's see the next example. Then how many numbers lie between? Your 9th question is how many numbers lie between squares? Lie between squares. Lie between squares of the following numbers. Of the following numbers. The following numbers. Your first question is 12 and 13. Your second question is also 25, 26, 99, 100. 25, 26, 99 and 100. These are means there are 3 examples are taken here. All examples are same. Then first we will write the number between the square of numbers. Number between the squares of numbers. Number between the squares of numbers are n and n plus 1 equal to what? 2n. Means first we will write your answer is n is here 12 and 13 is present. Your first example 12 and 13. Here n is what? 12. N plus 1 is what? 12 plus 1 equal to 13. Here 2n means 2n is what? What is your n value? N value is 2 into 12. Then 24. Then last sentence you will write 24 natural numbers. 24 natural numbers. They are lie between the squares. They are lie between the squares. This is your answer. Then your next question is what? 25 and 26. Then 25 and 26. Your n is what? 25. Then first you will write n equal to what? 25. And n plus 1, that is 25 plus 1, that is 26. Means 2n equal to 2 into 25. Then your answer is 50. Means 50 natural numbers, they are lie in between the squares. 50 natural numbers. They are lie in between the squares. In between the squares. We square 25 square and so natural numbers, they are lie in between the squares. 50 natural numbers. 50 natural numbers, they are lie in between the squares. Then this third example is also same. N equal to 99, then n plus 1 equal to 99 plus 1 equal to 100, then 2n, that is 2 into n means 99, then you will multiply, then you will write in this type, this answer. See the next example. Here your 6.1 exercise is completed. Then 6.2. Your first question is what? Find the square of the following numbers. Find the square of the following numbers. Then here 6 examples are given. These examples are same. Then your first example is 32, your third example is 86 and your fifth example is 71. All examples are same type. You can do same type. Then first you will write 32. Your first example is 32. Then which type you can convert? Then 30 plus 2 whole bracket square. This will be convert 30 plus 2 whole bracket square. Again you will write this is 2 times, that is 30 plus 2 and 30 plus 2. Correct? Then again you will write this 30 is multiplied by this whole bracket, that is 30 is multiplied by 30 plus 2 and this plus 2 is multiplied by this whole bracket, that is plus 2 is multiplied by whole bracket, that is 30 plus 2. That is 30 into 30 is what? 900. 30 into 30 is 900. Then 30 into 2 is what? 60, because 2 3s are 60 plus 2 into 30, that is 60 plus 2 into 2, that is 4, and they are added, that is 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4, then you will get 4. 0 plus 6, that is 6, 6 plus 6 12, then 1, then 9 plus 1 is 10, means your final answer is 32. Means 32 whole bracket square equal to, you will get 1024. Then see the next example. Then your third example is 86 whole bracket. Then again you will write here 80 plus 6 whole bracket square. Then same type you will write these two brackets, that is 80 plus 6, 80 plus 6. Then again you will multiply by this 80 is multiplied by this whole bracket, that is 80 is multiplied by this second whole bracket, plus 6 is multiplied by this whole bracket, that is 80 plus 6. Again you will do here 8 into 8 64 and 2 0 means 80 multiplied by 80 is 6400 plus 8 multiplied by 6, that is 480, because here 80 multiplied by 6 is 480. Here also 6 multiplied by 80, then 8 6 are 48, then 480 plus 6 into 6 is 36. Then you will write here its addition, that is 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 6. Then you will write here 6. 0 plus 8, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 3 19. Then 1 is 10. Then 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13. Then 3, then 1. And here 6 plus 1 is what? 7. And your means your final answer is what? 7396. Your final answer is 7396. For again you will count here 6 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 6, 3 plus 8 11, 11 plus 8 19, 19 plus 0 19, then 9, then 1, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 4 13, then 3 is here, then 1, then 7. Then see your next example, that is 71. Then 71 whole bracket square equal to 70 plus 1 whole bracket square. Again you will write 2 times, that is 70 plus 1 and 70 plus 1. Again you will write this 70 is multiplied by this whole bracket, that is 70 is multiplied by this whole bracket, and this plus 1 is multiplied by this whole bracket, that is 70 plus 1. Again you will write 70 into 70, that is 4900 plus 70 into 1, that is 70 plus 1 into 70, that is 70. 1 into 1, that is 1. Then here 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1, that is 1. 0 plus 7, 7 plus 7 14, then 1 is carried. Then 9 plus 1 is 10, then 1, then here 5, then 5041. Your answer is 5041. Again you will count 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1, then 1. 0 plus 7 plus 7, that is 14, then 1 is carried. 9 plus 1 10, then 1, then 5. 5041, and this is your final answer. And see your all means see the next example is your next example is second 6.2 second. write a Pythagoras triplets. Write a Pythagoras triplets whose one number is that is 16, third is 16, 6 and 16. Here 4 examples are given, all are same example, and you can do in your notebook. Then the first we will write its important condition. The Pythagoras triplet condition is 2m, m square plus 1, m square minus 1. Then these are called the Pythagoras triplet. These are called the Pythagoras triplets. Then your first example is what? 6. Then first we will consider here 2m equal to 6, because in your first example 6 is given. Then you will write 2m equal to 6. Then m equal to 6 divided by 2. Then 2 3s are 6. That is m equal to what? 3. Then you will put here, that is m square plus 1. That is 3 square plus 1. That is 9 plus 1. Then 10. Here also m square minus 1. That is 3 square minus 1. That is 9 minus 1. That is 9 minus 1 is 8. And these are called the Pythagoras triplet. Then see your next example. Your next example is 16. Then the Pythagoras triplets are, which are the Pythagoras triplets? 2m, m square plus 1, m square minus 1. What is your m value? Means first you will find your m value. Then you will write here 2m equal to 16. Then m equal to 16 by 2, that is 2 8s are 16. That is m equal to what? 8. Means your m value is 8. Then put here m square plus 1, that is 8 square plus 1. That is 64 plus 1, that is 65. Because 8 square is 64. Then m square minus 1, that is 8 square minus 1, that is 64. Means its triplets are 8, 63 and 65. And at the rest we will see in the next lecture.